Yeah, it's another weekend and medyo mainit, so let's go somewhere cold. Taga Claveria guys, ang isang madaling puntahan is ang Janopolan Nature, Spring and Pool. So medyo naging popular na siya dito sa Claveria kasi aside sa mura siya, it has may entrance na 20 pesos lang. Very accessible kasi along the highway lang. And mura rin yung mga cottage rentals nila. It's about 100 pesos to 1,000 depende sa size. May video okay pang kasama. So there's a lot of improvement dito sa mismong area. Meron na silang may accommodation sila. They have rooms for overnight na around 650 for 2 persons and 1,000 for 3 to 4 persons. Check-out time is 12 noon of the next day. So medyo malayo yung biyahe. It's either from Cagayan de Oro or from Davao or Sang area man. At saka minsan ginagabi at naisip mo rin na i-cut yung trip ng konti, pwedeng huminto rito at mag-relax, mag-unwind, spend time with your family and friends, diba? This is like the default place na pinupunta namin. We've celebrated birthdays dito. Pagka medyo talagang gusto lang mag-unwind, mag-reset at mag-refresh, dito kami pupunta. Yeah, guys, nakaligo na. Fresh, di ba? Wow. Fresh and funky. Heading to do a time lapse on other spots here in Claveria. Baka mag-view deck. Kung saan aabot yung gasolina ko. Punta naman tayo sa spot na Instagrammable. Medyo nagiging hyped up at medyo marami-rami na rin nakakapansin ito. There's a lot of places dito sa Misamis Oriental, especially here in Claveria, na quite sinasabi nga nila, Instagrammable or it's out of the ordinary, di ba? So ngayon trip lang na mag time-lapse. So it's a solo ride and next time punta ako dito ulit with my partner and if not the whole crew para medyo exciting naman. Medyo laid back lang na trip to, so since more of a weekender. Guys, thank you for watching. That was Janopolan Nature, Spring and Pool. And yeah, check yung Facebook.
Oopsie, nasira siya.
Check. Take 1,000.
Take 5 million. We go.
Yeah, hey guys, thank you again for your time. watching. That was Janopolan Nature Spring and Pool. Check their Facebook page and info. Tsaka kung gusto nyo naman mag-stay overnight, marami silang makipag-coordinate kayo doon. And for the view deck, by the way, thing I forgot to mention is for special portrait session or photo ops, kailangan magpaalam kayo dun sa management kasi meron silang minimal fee, manageable naman. Especially kung yung mga prenups or sa susunod na pagkakataon. Isasama ko yung buong gang to enjoy kasi solo ride lang ito, so konti lang yung mga shots. We'll go there and thank you guys for watching. Show us some loving by subscribing. Kung ayaw nyo, wag nyo. Thank you. Bye. So, thank you guys for watching and hope you guys like our videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Explore Claveria on YouTube for more updates and balik-balik lang kayo dito sa bahay. Haha.